Yeah, nothing but rough.
All right, we're just east of downtown Indianapolis, and this is the new project, and it's Caleb's project, isn't that correct?
It is indeed.
So you found this one?
Yes, sir.
And what attracted you? That gargoyle up there at the top?
The gargoyle, and I thought that this was a brick house.
Uh-huh.
As it turns out, it's like a kind of like a shingle that looks like a brick.
Okay.
Alas, it isn't, so that's got to go.
All right, so what's up with this brick? Let me see about this.
You gotta see it. Yeah.
Okay, I've never seen anything quite like that. Okay. Well, Caleb wasn't kidding, so you can see how that just pulled right off there.
When they bought it at a tax sale, it had all kinds of issues that they had to address.
Okay.
So they put new gutters on, new roof on, a little trim here and there around windows. Oh, this is the new home. And it's
This is a great
full
sign.
of-
I like this sign.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the new property.
Yes. And
The new HouseBarons property.
the HouseBarons property. This used to be an old parlor or maybe kitchen. That door wasn't a door, it used to be a window. And then on the other side of this is a duplicate room.
Because this is a duplex. Okay.
Well, yeah, it looks like it was at one point in time used as that.
Well, I like the tall ceilings.
Yeah, they're every bit of 10 feet.
Wow.
Every bit.
Very cool.
So the flooring here is decent. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, I think it is decent. And this is kind of a middling room, not really sure. Staircase on this side, and then this is, again, look at how tall these openings are. Tip of my finger is 8 feet.
Wow. Well, you have access to all your wiring.
Yes, we do.
Oh, and you said that's a new panel.
Siemens, new Siemens panel, connected, the lines go to the garage. Okay, so from this point on, you get some slanting going on, and so there was some foundation issues.
Okay.
12 by 12 tile, so that's safe.
What room are we in right now?
This is, I don't know, it's just a little tiny room.
It's got that, look at that phone. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, back in the day, man.
I hope they're leaving that.
And then this is like a porch.
That is a bit slanty.
Yeah, and that and the bathroom on the other side are both slanty, and we have to correct that.
Okay.
This is an old porch, uninsulated, add-on. You can see the old roof rafter tails right up there.
Oh yeah.
And so it was added on to that. And there's an access to the basement underneath here.
I bet that looks interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
But, yeah, it's. I hope you got your camera on wide angle, because this is not going to make any sense. You can go over here and look at just the amount of stuff everywhere.
Yeah, so it's hard to identify what any of these rooms are. They're just
Right.
a bunch of
They're
rooms.
just rooms.
Okay. And then
And they
there's
won't-
some kind of a
they
bathroom.
won't really matter.
Oh, whoa. Holy camole. Whoa. I guess we've seen scary bathrooms before.
Yes, we have.
Nice.
No
Okay.
plants in that one.
No. Oh, this is a cool little room. I like these
Yeah,
windows.
this bay window.
Yeah.
And there was some issue back there, and I got to question him about that. Apparently, all the paint peeling is the result of the temperature differences. This room, nothing's been heated in forever, and so you've got a little bit of a slant here, but the foundation looks good.
I hope they're leaving that poker table. I'll make a bid on that.
And this,
Wow, look at that fireplace.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
you got brick on the other side, so if this would come off, it could really look pretty.
Wow.
So
Interesting.
There's a lot of potential with that.
Well, you can see if it was all cleared up, and redone. These rooms are big.
About either splitting it here and removing all this, or maybe here and removing all this.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a work in progress for sure.
I would say that the tall ceilings are my favorite part so far. Now, have we seen the entire first floor?
Pretty much.
Okay. And there's a basement, and then there's a second floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
No, sure. Maybe see you again sometime. Spooky basement.
Watch your step. on the cement block there.
Yeah, it's a good last step.
Hey, there we go.
Well, this basement isn't nearly as terrifying as I thought it would be.
Oh no, this is, yeah.
This is like a wine cellar.
Caleb's already said that it's hilarious. That's gotta go. Seen some days.
Wow.
This ducting all has to go. There's a
Oh, cool. There's a whole room over here.
Yeah.
This could be a guitar studio. Ooh, where does that go to?
That goes into that room up there. It's a ramp, and it goes up into that room.
Okay.
So you could put stairs in there and bring you up into that with a drop down or a pull up door.
Oh, wow.
So
It'd be like an escape hatch.
yeah. This wall here is where that slant is. You know, look at that jack.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's one of those tall jacks that's just been covered in dirt. and so, you know, sketchy bricks holding this up. This could use to be re-raised to make it not slanty.
And this little 2x4 is like doing all the work.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. So those are things that, you know, we need to still look at.
Yeah.
But all this plumbing, it goes. But if you notice, yes, it's not even connected.
Well, they came close.
Yeah, that was a ballpark shot. But, you know, all that goes. But again, so here, if you see on this outside wall why it's so sketchy, it's just bricks and dry stacked, and so that's
scary.
that's why this section slants. Oh
Okay.
yeah, look at this.
Dry
See that-
stacked bricks.
And see that joist right there? How it's separated?
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of sunken, and yeah, so all of this would need to be addressed. But it's certainly not the end of the world.
Okay. I do like the bottom step.
Yeah.
This space will eventually be the kitchen. It's a little rough now. It's a lot of stairs.
A lot of stairs, because those 10-foot ceilings.
Right.
It's a workout.
Is there a master, or is it just 3 bedrooms, or hard to say?
This is it. So there's basically 3 bedrooms. This, that one,
Okay, so
and the master probably in the perfect world would be that one.
over there is the master.
Yeah,
Okay.
probably. But again,
This one's cool though because it's got these double windows.
right. And there's doubles on this side too, just a little bit different.
That's interesting.
But what do you see?
Looks like a little bit of burn. Mold. Cat. What is it?
Raccoon.
Oh, raccoon. How's it going straight up?
There was stuff here, and there's his entrance and exit.
Oh,
That was pre-roof. Yeah, here, Caleb. Look at that, was perfect.
this is a raccoon hotel.
It does look like maybe there was a fire at some point.
Yeah, I think he's got a little soot on his foot.
Yeah. So
I actually think this room is super cool.
yeah, it's pretty room.
But wait, do you have to go through this bedroom to get to that bedroom? It's like our old flashback
yeah,
from.
You literally have to do this.
Yeah.
Interesting. Never even thought about it.
Well, because we ran into that in our last house.
Yep. That's definitely, that's old world. Now, here's the deal though. I'm not sure how important this wall is that you couldn't move this.
So this is, we'll call this bedroom 2. Lots of nice windows here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you would call the master bedroom?
You said which one. I think I'd rather be on that side of the house, but I think he'll be thinking this side.
Well, it's got the bathroom off it, so that's generally
Well, you
a
got 2 of
master.
them.
Well, okay, the master has 2 bathrooms.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's a 3rd bedroom. These bathrooms are all added, wherever they could put them.
Oh, it's too bad we can't connect this bathroom to that bedroom because there's a hallway in the middle. Hey, it's a clawfoot tub.
Yeah.
I've never seen a bedroom have 2 bathrooms off of it.
They're all Haji after the fact replacements.
Oh, okay. I see what this is. So like you have the toilet over there, and then you have the bathtub over here.
There was a toilet right there. I'm pretty sure. And I don't know.
I guess you could make one of those a closet, right?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, yeah. If you had an addition that went like 5 feet beyond the edge of the shingles here, then this could all be master.
Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. This is the master bedroom. Master bathroom. The other half of the master bathroom. Okay, so here we're in the backyard, and that massive garage is part of this property. For downtown, this is a very huge garage. 23 by 32, that's big. And you have access to it through this alley. And here's the back of the house. So that's everything? That's the whole house? Okay. What are your thoughts?
Love it. I mean, it is a mountain of work, but I think that a year from now it can be completely different. It's a diamond in the rough.
Yeah.
Good bones, a lot of work.